Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video I'm going to be showing you how I filmed with natural light only. There are a lot of people who have not started their YouTube channel because they want to have the most expensive gadgets. They want to be like their favorite YouTube creators, and they forget that most people have to start from somewhere. For you to succeed, sometimes you have to fail, learn from your mistakes and become better, and that way you succeed. And there are people who also live in countries like where I live in Nigeria. Not everybody have access to 24 hours light. So watching this video, you are going to be able to know how you can film using natural light and how you can make your videos look professional. So the first thing you need to have is your phone and your tripod stand. So your tripod stand is going to help you have stability while shooting. So you definitely need a tripod stand. So before you start filming, you want to make sure that you're not backing your natural light. I'm going to show you how it looks like when you back your natural light at the end of this video. But you want to make sure that you're facing the natural light, and then go on your phone, click on your videos, then hold down your screen until you see AE/AF lock. That way you're locking in the brightness that you started with. So the way your video started would be the way it would record till the end. So even though the weather is going off and on, maybe the sun is going down and going up, it is not going to affect your video because you have already locked in the lighting that you want to use for your video. And then the next thing that I like doing is having a mirror in front of me. That mirror is going to help me know that I am in frame and my video is actually being recorded. Imagine recording and then your phone just stops recording and you're going on and on, you're talking and you don't know. That is like that is very annoying because you have wasted your time and your efforts and you now have to start again. So having a mirror in front of you is going to help you for that. So the next thing that you have to have in mind is that your background really matters. Your background is going to also help your lighting look great. You want to go for bright backgrounds like white. If you have a room that has pink or yellow or blue background, your videos would not turn out great. When filming with natural light, you want to make sure that you're not close to your background. If your room is big, you can stay in the middle of your room, or you can stay close to your natural light source, because you are going to have shadows. If you stay close to your background, you're going to have to deal with shadows. So in order for you not to have shadows in your videos, you want to move away from your background, stay in the middle of your room or closer to your light source. And then the next thing you have to have in mind is that when you're shooting, your back camera gives you the best quality as opposed to using the front. So having the mirror in front of you is also going to help you when you're using your back camera, so you can actually still see yourself if you want to. Most people that are here on YouTube are here to look for something that would, add to what they already know, or they want to learn something, or they want to get reviews on something. All you have to do is to make sure that you're giving value to those who are watching your videos, and that is all that matters. You don't have to have the most expensive light setup to be able to give value. So your value has to be great and people would enjoy your video. And when it comes to shooting videos with great quality audio, all you have to do is make sure that after recording you can go into CapCut, use the enhanced features, and then also use the reduce noise features. Right now I have a child that is actually crying outside, and I'm sure by the time I have edited this video you guys would probably not hear it. But even at that, like I said, as a new YouTuber, you can start from somewhere and then you become better. So I'm going to now show you how it looks when I record my videos facing back in the light. Then you guys are going to see the difference. You can see that this is where my natural light source is coming from. I don't even have as much sun because the fence is quite close to my window. So imagine back in the natural light, this is how your video is going to be, and it wouldn't really come out great. This is the mirror that I use to make sure that I am actually in frame and still recording. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this video actually encouraged someone. If it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and see you in my next video.